Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of the wealthy. You know, those unspoken rules of money that seem to be common knowledge among the financially successful, yet remain elusive to the rest of us. For many, wealth can feel like an exclusive club, shrouded in mystery and guarded by gatekeepers. But what if I told you that the keys to that gate are within your reach? What if the secrets to building wealth aren't really secrets at all, but rather simple rules that anyone can learn and apply? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain and revealing 7 money rules that the rich don't want you to know. These are the strategies, mindsets, and tactics that can empower you to take control of your finances and build a life of abundance. Get ready to unlock your financial potential. Have you ever noticed how easy it is for your paycheck to vanish into thin air by the end of the month? We pay our bills, we buy groceries, we treat ourselves to little luxuries, and suddenly our hard-earned money has disappeared. The wealthy understand that building wealth isn't about what's left over after all the bills are paid. It's about prioritizing your financial future from the get-go. That's why the first rule is to pay yourself first. Before you even think about paying bills or buying that new gadget, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Think of it as a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage. Now, you might be thinking, but I can barely make ends meet as it is. How can I possibly save? The key is to start small. Even setting aside $20 or $50 from each paycheck can make a difference over time. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. By consistently paying yourself first, you're establishing a habit that will serve you for a lifetime. The second rule that separates the rich from the rest is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. This is crucial, so listen closely. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. The rich focus on acquiring assets that generate income, even while they sleep. Think of it this way. A rental property is an asset because it generates rental income. A stock that pays dividends is an asset because it puts money in your pocket. On the other hand, a fancy car is a liability. It depreciates in value and requires ongoing expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel. The more assets you acquire, the more passive income you generate, freeing you from the need to trade your time for money. It's about building a system that works for you, even when you're not working. We've all heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is especially true when it comes to your income. The wealthy understand that relying on a single source of income is risky. Imagine this, you lose your job or your business takes an unexpected downturn. If your entire livelihood depends on that one income stream, you're left vulnerable and financially insecure. That's why the third rule is to diversify your income streams. This means creating multiple sources of revenue so that if one dries up, you have others to fall back on. There are countless ways to diversify your income in today's economy. You could start a side hustle, invest in real estate, explore online business opportunities, or even turn your hobbies into income-generating ventures. The key is to be creative, explore your options, and build a portfolio of income streams that provide both financial security and peace of mind. Here's a secret the wealthy have known for centuries: you don't need to be born rich to build wealth. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is leverage, and it doesn't always mean what you think. Leverage is about using other people's resources, their money, their time, their expertise, to accelerate your own financial. This can take many forms, from taking out a business loan to hiring skilled professionals to delegate tasks. Now, before you shy away from the word debt, understand that not all debt is created equal. The rich use debt strategically, borrowing money to invest in assets that generate more income than the cost of the debt itself. Think of it like this. You borrow money at a 5% interest rate to invest in a rental property that generates a 10% return. You're essentially using leverage to amplify your returns and build wealth faster. Let's face it, no one enjoys paying taxes, but the wealthy understand that taxes are simply a part of the game, and they use their knowledge of tax laws to their advantage. They don't try to evade taxes altogether. That's illegal and ill-advised. Instead, they work with qualified financial advisors who help them minimize their tax burden legally and ethically. This might involve taking advantage of deductions, credits, and loopholes that are available to them. It might mean structuring their businesses and investments in tax-efficient ways. The key takeaway here is that tax planning is an essential part of wealth building. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice and explore strategies that can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. You've probably heard the saying, You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This couldn't be truer when it comes to building wealth. The wealthy understand that their network is their net worth. They surround themselves with like-minded, successful individuals who inspire them, challenge them, and open doors to new opportunities. Networking isn't just about attending fancy events and exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships with people who share your values and aspirations. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you desire. Join industry events and masterminds. Engage in online communities where ambitious individuals gather. Remember, your network is a valuable asset. Nurture it, invest in it, and watch as it opens doors to a world of possibilities. In the ever-evolving world of finance, the only constant is change. The wealthy understand that their education is never truly finished. They are lifelong learners, constantly seeking new knowledge and skills to stay ahead of the curve. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and engage in online courses to expand their financial literacy and refine their investment strategies. The beauty of knowledge is that it compounds over time, just like interest. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions, spot opportunities, and navigate the complexities of the financial world. Make a commitment to continuous learning. Set aside time each day or week to invest in your financial education. Remember, the more you know, the more you grow. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into building your wealth. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck or privilege. It's about adopting the right mindset, developing smart habits, and taking consistent action. The journey to financial freedom starts today. Are you ready to take the first step?